Okay, this is the first cooking in the new wood burning stove. We're making focaccia with alla ligure with rosemary and olive oil. It's been there for about 10 minutes. One side seems to be more done than the other. I guess it's the proximity to the fire, but I think it's ready to come out. I'm gonna take it out this minute so we can all take a look at it. Okay, here it comes. Looks very pretty. I have to find something to hold the thing with. There we go. Look at that. That's perfection. That's perfection. Can't get much better than this. Look at this. It's beautiful. That olive oil is going to be absorbed now in a couple of minutes by the dough, so that won't be there. It's just gorgeous. So we have one more here that is being left in the heat so it can rise. Seems like it's pretty much ready to go. Some more oil with rosemary that's going to go on top. Kitchen is being used, as you can see. I had to clean out the top. We made some toast and stuff. And the fire is low. I keep it really low right now. I don't want to get the oven to get too hot. So it's at the lowest setting. Closing that up. And wait for the next victim. All right.